Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing good. Alhamdulillah. I'm your teacher Hina from Black Castle. Today our topic is related to numbers. Today we're going to learn about numbers. You can see here your workbook, Maths for Early Learners. Maths for Early Learners. This is your numbers workbook. This is your numbers workbook. We are going to learn about numbers. Now you can open the page number 47. Page number 47. Page number 47. 47 is written here. Now you can see here the statement that count and color the apples. Count and color the apples. You can see here the picture of apples. First you have to count them and then color them. Okay, so let's start. The one line is written here. Now we are going to start from here. You can see here this is 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 6. How many apples are here? In this line 6 apples are here. Now let's go to the other line. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many apples are here? 7. How many apples? 7. You can count and then write the numbers in the apples. Now how many apples are here? Let's count. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many apples are here? 8. Now come to the line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many apples are here in this line? 9 apples. Now count that apples. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. How many apples are here in this line? 10. Now we have done our counting. Now you have to color the apples. So let's start coloring from here. And you know that coloring should be up and down, up and down. Don't go out. Coloring should, and you know that apple is red. What the color of apple? Red. What the color of apple? Red. Coloring should be up and down, up and down. Don't go out. Now you can do coloring in all apples. We have done a written practice of numbers. Now you can do this practice on your workbook, page number 47. Okay, Jazakallah.